It's crazy out there.
I know, right?
Yeah.
These shootings and stabbings are happening like in random places. Brampton, of all places,
And
Brampton.
Brampton's getting worse.
Right? Don't make no sense.
Oh man, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock.
It's time to go to bed.
Yeah, it's late.
It was a good conversation.
Yeah, it was a good conversation.
So what you doing? You going to bed now?
Yeah, I'm going to bed now.
So what you wearing?
What am I wearing? What I wear to bed?
Stop playing games. You know what I'm asking. What exactly are you wearing?
A tank top and boy shorts.
That sounds sexy.
Okay.
Maybe I can video call you.
Video chat. Not tonight. It's late. 1 o'clock in the morning. You said you just said you're tired. You're going to bed.
I said it was bedtime, babe. Bedtime. Come on, sweetie. I just want to see you. Let me just video call you.
Yeah. It's a no for me.
Oh, baby, why you playing me like that? No, I want to see you. I want to see all of you.
No. I mean, if you want to do a video chat, we could have done that earlier, but now we had a good conversation. You know, let's end it off on a good note and go to our bed.
We had a good conversation, and we can have an even better conversation on video chat. You could tuck me in.
Tuck you in? How? Like,
you can start by taking off those boy shorts.
Okay, you know what? How about you tuck yourself in and we'll talk tomorrow, okay?
But why you gotta go on like that?
Why I gotta be like what? I'm just saying, tuck yourself in.
I'm just trying to get to know
It's
you
late.
more.
It's night. I'm going to my bed. You said you're tired? Go to your bed.
Why are you acting like that, though?
I'm not acting anyways. I'm just saying, it's bedtime. It's late.
I mean, we were having a decent conversation.
We were having a good conversation until you started asking me, what am I wearing? Want a video chat? And then you want to get into some stuff that I'm really not in the mood for. Nor are we on that level right now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's how it's gonna be, eh?
Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Okay, all right, good night. Oh my God.